So the common issue of sliding windows, but with most homes that are built with horizontal sliding windows, again, this is windows that slide side to side, not up and down. The most common issue is the hardware. It's just like anything. You can buy several different grades of hardware. You can buy, really high-end hardware. You can buy really cheap hardware. Well, most companies, because homeowners don't see the hardware, and when something's brand new, it usually functions properly, most window companies use cheaper hardware. So when they put it in, hey, everything works great, it's wonderful and all that stuff. But after a few years, the hardware begins to break down. And it's like, when I say this, people are gonna be like, well, what does he mean cheap hardware? Well, it's like, on the bottom of Thermo King sliders, there's actually metal wheels, metal, not plastic, not nylon, metal. And that's because it lasts. But there's a lot of companies that use plastic wheels or nylon wheels and things like that, and they break down and they wear. And then some companies will buy metal wheels, but they'll buy really cheap pop metal or really inexpensive metal that doesn't hold up or last. And so what happens on sliding windows is, after just a few years, the hardware goes bad. It's like, I'm gonna use a patio door as an example. I'm actually talking about sliding windows, but I'm using a patio door. Everybody's gone into a house that's had a patio door that's hard to open and close because the wheels are bad. Well, a horizontal sliding window is just a mini version of a patio door. And so, it's depending on the size of the window, it can be quite a bit of glass weight, except that most window companies use way, way cheaper and inferior hardware on their window than they even do on their patio door, when they can almost be the same size. And so what happens is the hardware fails. And then nobody opens and closes their windows because they'll say, oh, I can't even open that window anymore. It's too hard, or it's a struggle to get it to close, and just don't even bother with it. Well, that's crazy. You spend all this money to be able to use your windows, and now you're not gonna use them. And then it's like, well, the sales guy told you had this warranty. But what they didn't tell you is all the exclusions and the limitations and how it breaks down. And so when you call to find out, it's like, yeah, we'll fix it, but it's gonna be X $100 and all that. And you're like, I thought I had a warranty. So that's the downside. So again, using Thermo King as an example, we use a very high-end hardware system on all of our products, sliders, casements, etc. And the benefit to the homeowner is that the product actually functions. But the bigger benefit is, if something goes wrong, it has a real warranty and not some bogus warranty where you're out hundreds and hundreds of dollars. So that's the primary, downside to a slider for most companies, is it becomes so impractical to use.